Hi, I'm Bernadette and I'm one of the upholsterers here at Project Heaven, and today we're in the upholstery room. So I'm just going to show you around some of the things that we can offer. Here at Project Heaven we can offer a wide range of upholstery options, all depending on what the client's need is. So we can do upholstery from scratch, so that's where our team in the metal room can actually make the seat frames or whatever's needed really, the boot floor, whatever. And then that can be reupholstered fully. And we also do extensive restorations. So with this Chevy truck, we started with just a rusty seat frame, and we've been able to build that up using the foams, etc., to the seat that it is now. And that is actually currently being fitted into the truck. We also do light or sympathetic restoration. So I'm not sure if you've seen our video, but if you haven't, check it out, all about the Maserati Sebring. Within that car, everything is original. So we've treated all of the leather and made sure that that will last for many more years to come. Mercedes Pagoda that we're working on at the moment, the door cards were really damaged and really needed remaking. So here it was a bit of more in-depth restoration where we've actually had to remove the door cards, remake them and recover them, and they have been fitted in the car, so hopefully you'll get to see a clip of that. Okay, so one of our clients has brought in a single seat for their race car. What we need to do with this is we're going to completely remove the old leather foam, and this will be completely reupholstered. Actually started doing this with this part of the seat, where we've used this as a template, and we've actually started to recut the back in order to, get rid of this and reupholster it as it should be. Thanks for watching our video today on upholstery. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch our future videos on upholstery, and keep an eye out on the projects that we're working on.